Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to lock your white balance when you're recording on your iPhone running iOS 18. So when you're recording a video on your iPhone and you've noticed where the white balance is turning from yellow to white and it keeps switching back and forth depending on what light you're shooting in, then let me show you how to lock it so it stays one color. So to do this, you're going to first go into settings. Next, you're going to scroll down until you see camera. Now here you want to tap on record video. Now scroll down all the way until you see lock white balance. So as it reads, lock white balance while recording videos. So as you can see, it's currently turned on. For you guys, it'll be this. So if you want to turn it on, just go ahead and toggle the switch to the right and that will lock white balance. So when you shoot a video, whatever condition you're in, it'll basically shoot with the same color tone. And there you go, that is how to lock your white balance on your iPhone running iOS 18. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.